how to enable rising ringtone on iPhone. Hey guys, welcome back to this YouTube channel. Today I will show you that if there is a way to enable rising ringtone on your iPhone. So let's get started. On this process, at first you'll have to open the settings on your iPhone. Alright, so after you open the settings, you'll got such interface. So from here, you'll have to just scroll down, and from here you'll have to go the options like sounds and haptic. Okay, so from the sounds and haptic section, you'll be able to find the options like ringtone and alert. So from here you can set the level of the music or ringtone from here, so you can easily select it from here. Alright, so after you set it from here, you'll be able to add a specific ringtone on your iPhone. So after you add the specific ringtone, it will automatically insert that upcoming call with some larger ringtone. So iPhone have not provided features like you can manually enable the rising ringtone on your iPhone, so it is automatically turned on your iPhone. Like when the first call arises on your iPhone, the ringtone will set at the maximum level, and after you place the iPhone on your hand, it will automatically decrease the ringtone volume on your hand. So this is the most and latest sensor feature of iPhones. So in this way you can confirm it. If you found this video helpful to you, please don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel for more quick and short tutorial like this. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.